This specific bracelet that I'm holding right now is an Evil Eye Lucky Charm pangpaswerte na bracelet, okay? So itong bracelet na to, this is non-tarnish and non-fading. So kung makikita nyo, meron siyang Evil Eye design and this is money design bracelet as well. So this one will going to attract positive energy, swerte, abundance, wealth, prosperity, at lahat ng mabubuting bagay. So napaka-affordable lang nito, nasa yellow basket ko yan. So kung gusto mong pangontra sa mga taong inggit sa'yo, na may mga binabalak or may mga iniisip na masama para sa iyo para hindi ka umasenso, ito will going to eliminate that negative energy. So kung gusto mo may pangontra ka sa evil eye, at the same time, mag-a-attract siya ng positive energy and also prosperity, dapat meron ka nito. Isuot mo lang siya sa right hand mo. So ito, napaka-affordable lang nito. Kung gusto mo i-purchase ito, nasa yellow basket ko yan. Napakaganda ng quality at napakaganda ng disenyo. This one is non-tarnish and non-fading as well. If you want to purchase this, click the yellow basket, mag-purchase ka, i-click mo ang yellow basket, may nakalagay na buy here for you to check out.